So it's been raining for a good at least 12 hours, if not more. Not quite honeyful though. I'm gonna see if the slugs have decimated everything. Not looking forward to this. Right, here we go. Slug halos. And slug pellets. That was already a small one. I think they've more or less survived in there. Let's have a look in the big brassica tent. Yeah, I'm not seeing dead slugs in there, but I'm also not seeing any new nibbles. Let's. Not too bad, the beans. Oh, cobweb. Oh. Has this got nibbled? Actually, no, that's what it looked like beforehand. You know, I think they might have worked. Those onions are okay. That was already kind of nibbled. So was that. So far, I'm quite impressed. I did not think that those slug collars would work. We'll see with a few more days, but I like it. I don't like using that much plastic, but I like the results. Hopefully you can see through the white netting. That's what the slug collars look like. So basically I burnt a big enough hole for the slug in the woven fabric for the slug halos to just go down inside. And then I sprinkled the slug pellets. I just love the roses. Look at them. Okay, got my first few strawberries ripe, but yeah, wildlife has already started chewing on them. Let's see if I can get to any of them. I spy a strawberry. Unfortunately, that one has been eaten. Why does it have to be full of earwigs? Well, not earwigs, sorry. Woodlouse. Eek. Just gorgeous. So I'm in the shed. Tried to straighten up a little bit, but it's still not the best. Still a bit messy. Anyway, I'm down here. Don't know whether you'll get to see this bit of film or not. I'm showing another person an empty plot. Let's hope they turn up, because the last person in them didn't. So fingers crossed, I'll want to give it a go. Bit overgrown, but hopefully they're willing to try. I'll let you know how it goes later. Well, I just showed the lady and her family the vacant plot. She didn't seem overly impressed with the state of it. But in the next week she's going to make her decision. If she says no, I'll just move on to the next person. But hopefully I'll eventually get all these plots let. So I really don't think that lady's going to take the plot on. I think she wants a plot in a nicer area, in a quieter place, next to the M5 motorway. Oh well, there's more people on the list. Another beautiful stunner. Starts a bit peachy and then goes more pink. So I have weeded on the right hand side all of the carrot pots and the carrot bed, and I've sowed all the carrots. We'll see if anything grows, but here's hoping. So I did a really silly thing. My phone case is green. I dapped it down the plot whilst working on the pots and beds. Then I couldn't find it. So a friend, or another plot holder, rings it. And of course, with one deaf ear, I can't locate where that ring is coming from. Thankfully, she finds it in the strawberry bed. So all's good. In here I've got a little bit of parsnip, and then I've got Autumn King in that bed. And from the sweet corn bed onwards, it is Autumn King in the pot. But these first three have got rainbow carrot in the pots. So my aim today was to put the organic slug pellets down again and to get the carrots sown. That's what I've done. So I'm happy with that. It's taken a lot longer than I thought it would, but as does everything. A lovely pink with a touch of peach. Look at this yummy goodness. Finally some strawberries. Look, I have strawberries and more than one. And they're not totally bug eaten, so absolutely yummy. Well, I thought this was easier to do in the car than outside. So I haven't got much done in the plot today. But what I did do was let the last medium plot. Yes, a family wants to take that on. Okay, some of the other plots that I've let, people need to kind of get on with doing, but it's great progress. So I'll send the email and then I'll let the office do their thing, their paperwork. So I'm really happy to have every medium plot let. Now we just need the tenants to actually do the gardening and do the work. So thanks for watching. Bye for now. And then to finish, look at these. Yellow with a hint of pink on the edge.